You'll need 500 grams of beef mince. Cook until well done and the fat is rendered from the meat. Separate the meat from the fat. Add your bell peppers, cook until softened, and add your onions and cook until softened. Add your paprika, cumin, oregano, cinnamon, black pepper, and salt and garlic puree. Mix well. Add your raisins, and add your beef mince back to your pot. Mix well and add 300 milliliters of beef stock. Let it simmer for 20 minutes. Turn off the heat and add cornstarch and let the sauce thicken, and enjoy your beef empanada filling.